guys, for today's video, i-share ko po sa inyo kung paano tayo mag-book sa Angkas. Then, let's get started. I-type ang Angkas sa search box sa itaas. Then, click next, click enter. Sorry. Then, install po natin yan. Click lang natin yung install. Yan. Hintayin lang po natin ma-install yung apps. Then, pagkatapos nyo ma-install, then, click next. Then, click while using the app. Then, click get started. Enter. Then, enter your mobile number. Then, pagkatapos ma-enter yung mobile number, enter OTP that's sent. Then, your number. Yan, type muna natin yung number natin guys, tsaka yung OTP dyan, kailangan. Then, click agree. Then, choose passenger if you need a ride. Then, type or search your pick-up location. You can choose current location on your pick-up. Then, choose your drop-off location. Then, pagkatapos niyan guys, read and follow the safety reminders. Then, pagkatapos niyan, click cash icon and choose your payment type. Then, you can choose cash or card. Then, click promo and choose what you will use. Then, click note if you have a special instruction, guys. Then, pagkatapos, type your instructions so that biker will read it. Then, finally, click the book and wait for your bike. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.